Buying a new SIM card. Rules changing from April 1st. Check out the new guidelines. Cyber fraud has become a major concern worldwide. Just by mistakenly clicking on an unknown link, a bank account can be emptied in seconds. A moment of carelessness can ruin a customer. Over the past few years, the number of cyber crimes has increased so much that the central government has been forced to take strict measures. One of the key steps is making SIM card seller registration mandatory. The central government has issued guidelines to all telecom operators in the country. Although this rule is not new, the deadline for registration has been extended to March 31, 2025. The first directive was issued in August 2023, stating that all agents, distributors, and franchises must complete registration within 12 months. However, the deadline has been extended several times. The current final deadline is set for March 31st. To prevent cyber fraud, the central government is also planning to enforce stricter rules for issuing SIM cards. Reports suggest that if someone registers more SIM cards than the allowed limit, they will be monitored. As per the current rules, a person can register a maximum of 9 SIM cards under their name. Under the new rules, telecom operators are now required to register agents, franchises, and SIM card distributors. Those who do not comply with these rules will have their authorization to sell SIM cards revoked from April 1st. It is believed that with the implementation of these new rules, the process of issuing SIM cards will become more transparent, providing more security for customers. Private telecom companies like Reliance Jio, Vodafone Idea, and Bharti Airtel have already completed their registration. However, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL) has not yet done so. The central government has given BSNL an additional 2 months to complete dealer registration. However, as per the rules, from April 1, 2025, only registered SIM card distributors will be allowed to sell SIM cards to customers. Experts believe that the implementation of this rule will significantly reduce the sale of fake SIM cards. According to the new rules, there will be a written agreement between telecom companies and SIM sellers. If a dealer or distributor violates the rules by selling SIM cards improperly, they will face fines and may even be blacklisted. In certain areas like Jammu and Kashmir and Assam, police verification for SIM card sellers has been made mandatory.